you. I got you now. Girish Nishad and Shivam Nishad want to see what is inside the laying egg hen. So this is for you and everyone else. Enjoy!
Whoa!
Toys for you.
Hey guys, now we are gonna see what's inside the laying eggs hen. Hickty Pickty is my black hen. Okay guys, this is our lovely hen. She looks very nice and we will try her because we are not sure that we are going to put her back. We don't know if we will have a hen or something else. Oops! I forgot to put the eggs. You know, for a hen to lay eggs, it is necessary for the eggs to be inserted first. So we insert the eggs through here. And now the hen is prepared. Let's see what she does. Oopsie. One more. Okay. This is gonna be interesting.
You can say that again. Now let's check the movements. We have movements for the head, the wings, the tail, motion for the wheel beneath, and the laying eggs mechanism.
We have a lot of movements here.
Carefully, we have to take the hen apart.
It won't come out.
And we have to pray that we can make it whole again.
Let's see what is in a chicken's head. Nothing. Zombie chicken.
After pulling and stretching the hen, we finally understand that it should open gently.
Oh. Moment. Okay.
Looks easy, right? Can you see that yellow thing that is spinning? Well, that is the connection for the levers for the wings, tail and head. Now, let's check the insides. There we have the engine, we have the gears that spin the wheel beneath for the motion, and we have another interesting wheel, the black one. You see how nice the levers move the tail? But we should get back to the point. We left to the black huge wheel. That wheel puts in motion the mechanism that pushes the hatch, and so the eggs are released. Also, we found a nice, interesting button that, when it's pressed, is changing the melody. And there we have the processor. See those U pins? See those U pins? These connect to the levers that lead to the wings. And now let's try and see how the head moves. Of course, we will understand only at the end that the head knob should be at the back of the black lever. But this is experimenting. Right now the head doesn't move because it is not positioned correctly. The right position is this one. Not this one. Pretty puzzling, huh? So this is how the hen moves and lays eggs. Now putting the hen back together is a whole different story. And it is a challenging story. We have the hatch, we have the head, and we have the wires. It was a challenge, let me tell you that. I think this one was the most challenging toy.
What did we learn for this hen? This hen was a tricky one. Look at it. Yeah. She is 100% functional. Guys, thank you for watching. Please watch the next clip and thank you. Bonus clip.
Hey, listen!
So, in order for a hen to lay eggs, it is necessary for the eggs to be inserted first.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.